So this is quite a recent project. This is a signal box called Spooner Row in Norfolk. There's a series of 4 signal boxes being demolished, but this one, something special about it, I'm not sure what, but the North Norfolk Railway requested, or Rail gave it to the North Norfolk Railway. So we're tasked with coming up with a way to allow all the timber structure, so that bit there, to be removed in one go, so it could be taken to the North Norfolk Railway and sat on a new brick base, as I understand it, so they can it's preserved for future. So, as ever, contractors want cost-effective, simple solutions to things like this. So we came up with quite a simple scheme whereby we needle into the masonry here and here, both ends, and that allowed sleepers to be put in here, and the same the other end, there and there. And then we could sling around and underneath, so you cut pockets in the masonry there, there, and there. Is this vanishing pen look all right, Chris? Is it coming out okay? Or was it disappearing too quickly?
It looks okay.
It's right. So that allowed the slings to be put in and underneath. You can see there. So you imagine they go down, around, under those timbers, up and back up to the crane itself. That's just a bit more of a detailed view on it. And there you go. So this is the sleepers I was talking about here. There. And the idea of those is they spread the load into the floor joists, which span left to right. The floor joists themselves were notched into, or they were built into the timber frame, the structure. So by picking up the floors and by picking up this edge here and this edge here, we knew we could lift the structure up in a safe manner. So luckily, and for a change, we've got quite a nice video. Not very often we get this. See the holes being knocked in there for the sleepers and the lifting gear to go through. Nice and easy. And away it went on the back of a low load up. Yeah, so it's not very often we get quite such a nice video, especially so shortly after the event.